Driving for work isn't just another task. It's one of the most dangerous activities many employees will undertake. In fact, around 1 in 3 road collisions in Britain involve someone driving as part of their job, and this includes both company vehicles and those using their own vehicles for work purposes. These collisions aren't minor risks. Independent research has found that approximately 29% of all road deaths and around 21% of all casualties occur in incidents involving someone driving for work. That means more people are killed or seriously injured while driving for work than in many other types of workplace accidents combined. Crucially, the majority of people killed or seriously injured in work-related collisions are not the employee driver themselves, but other road users, pedestrians, cyclists, passengers, and other motorists. Government guidance and health and safety law treat driving for work the same as any other work activity. You must assess the risks, put in place control measures, and take all reasonably practical steps to protect not only your staff, but anyone else who could be harmed by operations on the road. These statistics make it clear managing work-related risk is not optional. It's a core responsibility of management. Poor planning, a lack of policy, or weak leadership in driving significantly increases the likelihood of crashes, injuries, and costly legal consequences for your organization.